Healthway Medical is the leader in providing quality ambulatory healthcare services with an accessible location in malls. Paano nga ba napapanatili ng Healthway ang kanilang world-class outpatient services?
More and more people want a change in terms of how they get their health services. And in this business of providing health, the more accessible and affordable you are, the better. Because if you look at it as a business, then mas magiging sensitive ka, ano bang kailangan ng tao, ano bang hinihingi nila, ano ba yung sana, gano'n. We are very strong in our campaigns towards customer service.
At dahil gusto din makatulong ng Healthway, hindi lang sa pamamagitan ng mall clinics, ay nakipag-tie up sila sa ibang organization tulad ng Children's Hour.
So nag-upisa kami sa mga bata, Children's Hour. We're very proud of that. We started with our badminton tournament recently and we donated all the proceeds to them.
Ano naman ang pagbabagong aabangan sa Healthway clinics sa mga susunod na buwan?
Then expansion also means not just physical expansion, but expansion within, so expansion of services. Again, we're listening to what our market demands. So, while we are a multi-specialty, para bang one-stop shop na sinasabi nga nila, tinitingnan namin na ano ba yung mga mas kailangan ng tao na sa tingin nila kulang pa, at yun yung papalakihin pa namin.
Kaya for all your medical needs, just visit any Healthway and Clarity clinics at the mall nearest you. Dahil alagang pamilya, alagang Healthway. This portion was brought to you by Healthway Medical Incorporated.